Excuse me, sir. Would you like to see some magic? Yeah.
No, I just took Sharon is coming.
Sharon is caring.
I scared.
It's the name of the game.
Okay. Oh, share a lesson from nature that inspires lifelong learning. It has to do, of course, with resilience, in my opinion.
Wow.
So, if I have to take a lessons from nature, is to overcome all the barriers that I will have in my life.
Wow.
To get stronger every time I get on the ground. And if somebody cuts me, I will grow stronger.
Wow.
So it's very difficult to make a tree or a plant or an ecosystem dying.
Yeah.
So I would like to be as strong as an ecosystem.
Amazing, amazing. High five. Grazie mille.